guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a few crystals to show you that I purchased from Banner Gems USA's little live sale. Do you want to know what I got this time? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my order that I placed from another live sale just came in. I honestly really wasn't looking to purchase new crystals, but when I went on this live, it was right after I redid my whole crystal area, so I could kind of see what I had and where I could have room for improvement, like more crystals, like which color coordination, which cubby could use some more crystals. So I got a few, and I really wanted to get one of the dragons. They had a dragon that somebody claimed, and they got more in to go with like all of my little animals and stuff like that section. So let me start with that one then first. This here is the dragon. It is $31, and I believe, because I didn't ask because it wasn't shown, I just asked if they had another dragon, and she sent me a photo of this. So I think this is made out of jade by the color, but look at how cool is that. And it's nice and large, and I love that it has like its own little stand, so it can just sit right there all on its own. So here is, again, I paid $31, and it is for this dragon. It is so cool though. I love the shape, and again, I just love how it just sits on its own. So number one, I just want to put these, it's just like I said, there's only a few in here, and I want to put them away so I can get this box off my desk. So so also then going off of what was not part of the live, like I didn't claim in the live, there was only 2 in here that I did. But I asked then, I sent a message to see if they had anything that was like black and white, black and gray, so I can go into that section. So she sent me 2 photos of these 2, and I was like, I'll take them. This one right here was the heart shape. This is $14. So again, I don't know what material this is, because it wasn't like, she didn't show it and say, oh, this is a blah, blah, blah for this much money. This was just, you know, and that's another great thing, because if you do see anything in the sale, you can screenshot it and send it to them and ask like, hey, how much is this? Do you have this still available? Or just ask them questions. So like I did, hey, do you have anything that's black and white? And they sent me a photo of what they had, and I could add it, or I didn't have to. And of course I did. This one, I love how thick it is. Like, it's not just like a normal palm stone. It's a little thicker on the sides. This one here is $8. And this is what this one looks like. So again, there's those 2 to add to my black and white section that almost fell off my desk. Almost. So the 2 things that I actually did get from the live sale are right here, these 2 spheres, and they also do have stands. I asked if they had a stand that I could purchase, and they were like all gold, and I'm not really gold. So she said she had these little plastic ones she can give me for free, and I'm like, perfect. I just don't like gold. So here are the 2 little stands, the free little stands that she threw in. So the first one here, this one is $16. but I just thought those colors were gorgeous to put like in my blue section. So I have a lighter blue, and then again, it sits, hold on, let me put this one down. It'll sit just down inside of this, like so. So there's the first one, and then this one is darker blues. This one's a little cheaper, $15. But look at the dark blues with the whites in there. That is just gorgeous. So these two will go in my now new blue section. Those other will go in my black and white section, and the dragon will go on that shelf with my other like animals and stuff like that. So that was just a quick little thing just to show you, but this is all that I purchased this time. Like I said, it's quick and easy. Now I just have a few things that I can add, and I can get that cleared off of my desk, and I'm so happy about that. So that is everything that I have to show for this video. I will have their Instagram listed down below if you'd like to follow them on their Instagram and catch one of their lives. I always tell you guys, I absolutely love her lives. I've been in several other crystal companies' lives before, and they're just, the prices are not the greatest, and there's so many people that when you do finally start to type, somebody's already claiming. I'm not even done typing the two little numbers to put in. So it's just, I don't know, to me, it's just not like as fair to people to get what they want, because there's so many people in that live, where in Banner Gem USA, their live, sometimes I'm in there's like less than 10 people. So chances of me getting what I want is highly likely, and I just love that. Plus, without having so many people in there, you can ask questions, have them show you things like that. So, and even while they're on the live, you can even send direct messages and they can answer them during too. So I just really love the communication. I just love the pricing and all of the crystals that she brings. There's amazing prices. Sometimes they're discounted. I've gotten a big, huge crystal for like $50, $60 once. Like, it just, they have great prices, great deals, and I just love shopping through them. So that's the only one that I normally buy all of my crystals from, is Banner Gem USA. So if you want to follow them on their Instagram, and then they tell you when their live sales are going to be, you pop in their live sale. If you want something, you claim it. If you get it, they'll send you an invoice by PayPal. Once that sale is over, you have 24 hours to pay it. They ship it out, and it's just so simple, so easy. And I can't stress how much that I love this company, and I'm only buying my crystals through them. So there you go. I will have them again listed down below. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is Shecrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so that is everything to say and show for this video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.